Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Halo Watch S6. This smartwatch do have a sporty design, and as you can see here, it's already preloaded with watch faces. On this video, we are going to download additional watch faces, plus we'll explore the Halo Fan app and check out the available watch faces for the Watch S6. Let's check if there's also a custom wallpaper for this wearable. If you are interested to see the available watch faces for this smartwatch, watch this video as we are going to download an additional watch face as well as a custom wallpaper. Again, if you haven't subscribed, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and explore the world of watch faces for our Halo Watch S6. If you press this, long press, you can change the watch face here, as you can see. Okay, we have 1, 2, and 3. We only have 3 watch faces. Tap on to apply the watch face. If you want to download an additional watch face, just go or open the support app, the Halo Fan application. Tap on the device, go to the face gallery, and it will load the additional watch face for your smartwatch. So let's see. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see here, we do have the My Watch Faces section and the face gallery. So here are the watch face section. So we have the gallery dial, and we have all watch faces. Let's see the categories here. Modern minimalist, digital meter, only 2. Scale classic, artistic creativity, sports health, playful dials, only 3. Okay, so let's select here all watch faces. Let's see. So here are the available watch faces for our Halo Watch S6. As you can see here, we tap on the all watch faces. So here are the details. So it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. I like the impression here. Looks nice. Let's explore more. I guess this is a custom watch face. Yeah, purple mask, space flight. Okay, we have here some analog watch faces. Okay, so there's a lot of options, I guess. Okay, I think it's good. Good list of watch faces. Okay, going back, we have here My Watch Faces. I guess this is the for the downloads of watch faces. Let's go back again. And let's try to download a watch face. Okay, I'm going to pick this one, the impression. So tap on it. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, impression, 297 KB. Let's see. Remember, we have 3 watch faces here. So set as a current watch face. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, 20%, 24, 30, 35, and we are now on 50%. Okay, so far seems like it's going to be a successful download of a new watch face for our Halo Watch S6. 90%. And update successful. So this is our new watch face, as you can see here. Again, let's count. Let's see if we still have 3 or we have at least 4 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4 watch faces. Let's go back here to My Watch Faces. Okay, so the new download is here. Go back to the face gallery. Then let's have another one. let's look for a somewhat like a dynamic style. I guess this one will do. We have like this here, long press. Okay, no, okay, it's similar to this one, so let's pick a new style. Okay, let's go down. How about this one, fantasy? Let's wait for it to load, then set as current watch face. Okay, and our smartwatch here switch to download mode again. Adding, let's wait, 264 KB. Let's wait for it to finish downloading, and in just a few seconds we'll have our new watch face. And we have now our new watch face. Nice, this is cool. Then let's check again. Long press. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1. Sadly, it is only one watch face at a time. Okay, the previous watch face has been overwritten. Okay, so small memory for our Halo Watch S6. This one, the gallery dial, is a custom watch face. Okay, so let's try to change it. Can we change? No gallery dials. The above product picture screen content are for illustration. Select image. Okay, gallery. We will allow the permission here. So let's pick a photo here. Going to pick the Mia from Mobile Legends. Then pick crop. We have here the watch face. Okay, analog or digital. Okay, let's pick the analog. Let's go back. I like the analog style. Again, let's pick this one. Completed. Set the crop. Okay, set the photo to crop. Then okay, so this is the layout here, as you can see, and set as a current watch face. I don't know if there's a separate for the custom watch face as well as the downloaded watch face. Hopefully we'll have at least 5. Okay, let's see if the downloaded watch face, the previous downloaded watch face, will be overwritten. Okay, let's check. So 55%, 58, 67, 69, and we have here our custom watch face or custom wallpaper. Okay, nice so far. Okay, as you can see here, wide black border on the bottom part. Okay, slim on left and right. Then let's check. We have 1, 2. Okay, so 1 watch face at a time so far. Okay, so that is disappointing, but still it's okay. Very affordable. And what I'm after about the Halo Watch S6 is the over 100 plus sports functions, as you can see here, 120 plus workout modes. But when it comes to watch face, you can only set 1 watch face at a time. Okay, hopefully we have provided you some information regarding the watch face section for the Halo Watch S6. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.